Hello and welcome to KSGIndia.com. Laser-guided ATGM successfully test fired. The Defense Research and Development Organization on September 23, 2020 successfully test-fired the indigenously developed laser-guided anti-tank guided missile from the main battle tank Arjun at the KK ranges in Ahmednagar in Maharashtra. India is proud of the team DRDO, which is assiduously working towards reducing the import dependency in the near future. KK Ranges is the firing range of the Armored Corps Center and School of the Indian Army located on the outskirts of Ahmednagar city in Maharashtra. The missile uses a warhead that has the capability to neutralize armored vehicles which have reactive armors, which are specially designed protective armors used in the military vehicles. The missile was fired at the range of around 3 kilometers in the test and successfully took out a target. While the missile is currently being tested from the MBT Arjun, it has been designed so that it can be fired from other platforms too. Lasers guided ATGMs lock and track the targets with the help of laser designation to ensure precision hit accuracy. The missile employs a tandem heat warhead to defend explosive reactive armor, protected armored vehicles. It has been developed with multiple platform launch capability and is currently undergoing technical evaluation trials from the gun of MBT Arjun. Pune-based DRDO facilities, Armament Research and Development Establishment in Pune and the High Energy Materials Research Laboratory have developed the missile in collaboration with another DRDO laboratory, Instruments Research and Development Establishment in Dehradun. On September 22, 2020, the DRDO had also conducted the successful flight tests of Abhyas High-Speed Expendable Aerial Target HEAT. The flight test was done from the interim test range Balasore in Odisha. This vehicle can be used as a target for evaluation of various missile systems. So ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you for watching KSGIndia.com. Stay tuned for more informative and updated videos.